Hey guys, welcome back to another keyboard tutorials. Okay, I promise you guys I'll be bringing more keyboard lessons. Today we'll be looking at these beautiful chords. If you're a beginner, watch the video and see how you can transform from your level to the pro in just some few minutes. Okay, but before we start the lesson, I won't be posting more lessons on like the keyboard lesson. I won't be posting it on this Yao Bass channel. I'll be doing that on I'll be posting more lessons. That's the keyboard lesson on my second channel, that is the other channel, if some of you know about the channel. Okay, so if you don't know about that channel, click on this link to go subscribe to that channel, or you see the link in the comment section below. So after watching the video, you can go and subscribe so that anytime I post any keyboard lesson, whether bass tutorial on keyboard or normal chords or worship, I'll be bringing more stuff, okay, so that you don't miss. Okay, but by the way, if you're new to this YouTube channel, this is what I do. I teach bass, guitar, keyboard, and I'll be bringing more instruments that I know how to play lessons very soon. And if you're interested and you want to learn more and more on how to play the bass guitar and the keyboard very well, you can DM me on my private lesson. I do private class lesson. You see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab your let's begin with the tutorial. So we'll be looking at this simple, beautiful worship chords. It's been a long time I played keyboard, but I'm trying to learn more chords and give it to you guys. Okay, so if you play all keys, just learn the notes and transfer them to the keys you know how to play, whether C or any key. Okay, so let's play on key F, then you can do your own transpose or whatever. So let me play what we'll be learning today. It's a simple song we all normally know. We play in church or anywhere. Do something new in my life. Something new. Okay. Do something new in my life. Something new in my life. Something new in my life. Oh, do something new in my life. Something new in my life. So let's look at the progression of the song. So do something new in my life, something new in my life, something new in my life, oh Lord. Okay, so let's say if you're a beginner, this is the simple progression you people normally play. Okay, but if you want to transform, you want to move ahead, do something new in my life, something new in my life, something new in my life, oh Lord. So you see the changes. The first one I played fa, so, do, but the second one I played do something, your fa in my life, fa, something new me, then you continue with the normal progression. Okay, so when you are playing it like this using the left hand, it is not sounding nice. So you need to bring in chords that when you apply to the bass, it will sound very good. Okay, so let's start from the beginning chords. Do something new. Your left hand plays your fa. So we are looking at the beginning chords. Okay, do something new, whilst your right hand plays your do, fa, la. You understand? Do something new. You understand? So now let's move to so. You'll be going to your so. Do something new in my life. So now you'll be playing your so using your left hand and your right. You understand? Okay, so now let's look at the pro chords, which you can also learn so that you transform very quick. You understand? And I'll make sure I'll let you understand what you are playing. Okay, so do something new in my life. You see? So you see the difference between do something new in my life and the second one, do something new in my life. understand? So what I played here at the level, let's say, let me try and make it easy. So the level 1 is for the beginner, the level 2 is for the pro. So what I played here for the level 2 is your fa, your do, your fa, like your root and octave. You understand? So fa, do, fa. You understand? And your right hand will play in this chord, that is la, do, mi, la. You understand? Okay. So when you join both of them together, do something new in my life. So now in my life, you will still remain on your 4, that is on your bass side, but your left hand will go to your 5 progression. Okay. But you won't be playing the normal. You understand? You can play it. Do something new in my life. You can still play it. Okay. So when you're done playing that same 4, then your right hand plays so, la, re, so, la, re. So when you join them together, do something new in my life. You see the difference, okay? So just let me do some. Remember, on your 4 progression, there are many ways you can play a 4 progression, but this is one of them. Do something for. So now something new. Now you're going to your 3, okay? But in the beginning side, something new in my life. You understand? So when you're done playing, do something new in my life, something new. So it's the beginning, that's the level 1. You just play do, and your right hand you'll be playing do, mi, so in my life. Then your la, right hand will play la, do, mi. So now let's look at the level 2 side. Something new, new. You understand? Okay. So that, and so you need to be playing chords that will match with the voice, not that you be playing your own chord that you already know and it's not matching with the voice. You understand? So something new. You understand? So your left hand is going to play 2 notes. That is your mi and your do, and the right hand is going to play your so and your do, your re and your so. You join them together, dun, 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 and you join the bass. You understand? So do something new in my life, something new. Now let's go to the la, in my life. Okay, so this is what I played. For the level 1, just simple la. But the level 2, in my life, the left hand is going to play your la, whether root and octave or just one la. Okay, but try and bring the root and octave so that it sound heavy. Okay, so, and your right hand is going to play so, ti, re, so. Something new in my life. When you're done playing in my life, you understand? So the level 1 will play in my life, something new. That is your re. Your left hand, your right hand going to play your la, re, fa. But the level 2, let's say in my life, something new. You understand? Okay, so you need to learn it. Okay. So let me break it down for you. So the left hand is going to climb. So la, ti, di, re. Because from your la you're going to your re. So la, ti, di, re. So those notes, you need to apply a chord to them. So when you play your 6, so your left hand is going to play your T, and your right hand is going to play your So, La, Re, Da, Na. So when your left hand plays your D, your right hand is going to play your So, To, D, Mi. Okay. And your Re, your right hand is going to play your La, D, La, La, Do, Re, Fa. Okay, you understand? So, in my life, something new. In my life, oh, something new. Okay, so when you're done playing in my life, so your So, the normal level 1 player will just play So, you understand? So, T, Re, and your left hand So. But a pro bass player will want to bring those harmonic stuff, and you understand? So, it's gonna be So, Do, Re, in my life. Okay. Something new in my life. You understand? So it's gonna be So, and your right hand So, Do, Re. Then you move that your Do backwards to your T. You understand? So something like this. You understand? Okay. So it's like a sustained chord, but you have to bring that your 1 to your 7. So in my life, oh. This is what I wanted to teach you. So when you want to repeat, in my life, oh. So you are still on your So. You understand? Then your So will be playing this chord, your La, Do, Fa. Okay. Then you continue. So when you don't play the chord So, oh no, then you play, and you come back to your 1. That is So, Re, Mi. And your left hand plays your 1. Then you continue something new. You understand? Okay. When you join all of them together, do something new in my life. Something new in my life. Something new in my life. Do something new in my life. Something new in my life. You understand? Okay, so try and learn it. Okay, it's very helpful. So make sure that when you learn the chord on that progression, try using them in different songs and see if it's gonna match. If it match, then you can use them. Okay, so the next keyboard lesson will be at the second channel, not this channel. Okay, this is just an info, and I just want to be giving a tutorial, but make sure you subscribe to that YouTube channel. Okay, I'll see you guys later in the next video. Bye for now.